Welcome back guys to the channel. Today's video is going to be a black smoky eyeshadow tutorial, and as always I'm going to start by applying a concealer all over my eyelid, and I want you to know that the concealer is a shade lighter than my complexion. Next I go on to apply a setting powder all over my lid, and this is very important to help set the cream product, which was the concealer I earlier applied. After which I'm going over with a dark brown shade. Now you want to start immediately with a dark brown shade, and I'm putting it straight into my crease. Next would be the black eyeshadow, which I'm going to apply to my lower lid. So I'm just patting it into my lower lid with a lid brush, and you realize that in so doing there's going to be a form of harsh line demarcating where the lower lid color starts from where the upper lid or the crease color starts. Taking my blending brush, I'm going to sweep across my crease region to get rid of any form of harsh line formed already as a result of the two different eyeshadow colors I applied. After which I'm taking a soft brown color and I'm applying it to my upper lid so as to give my eyeshadow look a gradient effect. I can now go ahead to apply a highlighter color to the arc as seen in the video to just highlight that region, which is the highest point of my eyebrows, just underneath it, so just to highlight it. Now after on, I go on to apply my eyeliner, which is highly optional. If you want to do that, you can do that. If you want to skip this step, then you can skip this step. Always endeavor to apply your mascara or coat your lashes with a mascara, whether or not you intend applying false lashes. Now I'm doing this because I'm also going to apply my false lashes on my eyelid, and with that I am done with the eyeshadow look. You can see, if you take note of how the eyeshadow look came out, the eyeshadow is having a gradient effect, so it looks like it is lighter at the top part of my eyelid and it gets darker as it progresses down towards my lower lid, and that is what you always try to do when applying your eyeshadow. After doing that, I go on to just do the rest of my face, and that is basically it for a smoky eyeshadow look. Please do try to recreate this look and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, and let me also know what kind of look you want me to be recreated next, and I'll do that. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. Very important. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you and God bless.